how to reset your TPMS in your Mercedes-Benz. First thing is to start the engine. Once you've started the car, you click on this button, the home button, and slide all the way to service. So you're going to be using this black knob here. At service, you press down and scroll down once, or whenever you can see tires, enter. And once it's entered, it says tire pressure will be displayed after a few minutes of driving. You go back here, you slide down, press OK. And then it's time for a test drive. It's now 10:02 on my side, and we'll see how long it takes for the TPMS to restart. Okay, it's restarted. That barely took a minute, but in my experience, I've seen it take up to maybe like 5-10 minutes before. And in the worst cases, it's actually taken up from like 1 day to 1 week. So at this point, your TPMS light should have gone off and you should be able to see every single one of the tires. If you still can't do it after many times of resetting, it probably means that you have some other issue. Example, if you have 3 that you can see and 1 that you cannot see, most likely the TPMS battery has died and you'll need to replace one of those. This will be usually from 4 to 6 years. When you've driven the car for some time, the battery will die. So thanks for watching, and I will talk a little bit more about what other errors can cause the TPMS light to light up the next time. See you! Bye!